this has raised a lot of concern among human rights groups because, again, some doubt of the due process that was carried out during this deportation process to El Salvador.
As we've been speaking to you as well, we have seen some pictures that were released by El Salvador of this Supermax prison where conditions are extraordinary. Can you just explain what function it serves, how many people are there, and what the reports are of life inside the Supermax prison?
There's a lot of hermetism regarding this prison, and a lot of concern from human groups around the world about what is El Salvador really doing with this prison. Even the Salvadorian government has recognized that some of the people that they have arrested and put into this prison, some of them were innocent, but then they were released according to El Salvador government. This prison is a way in which the Salvadorian government has managed to control violence within this country. For some people within El Salvador, it has been a successful strategy since the criminality and the activity of gang members have actually reduced, and it's one of the main flagships of the Salvadorian government of Nayib Bukele. But on the other hand, there are questions, a lot of questions from human rights groups, whether how's the treatment from the authorities to these people. It is said, for example, that they have to spend 23 hours and 30 minutes a day within a cell with a lot of other people in the same cell. They only have, for example, 30 minutes a day for other activities out of their cells, and it's the way the government has responded to the violence in the country, but it now seems to be something that has attracted the attention of the U.S. government, trying to find an ally in this region in Latin America, where they can actually deport some of the people they are accusing of being criminals or gang members.
And Jorge, what about the role of Venezuela in this, and this massive gang that's obviously spread from outside Venezuela if it's found so many of its people now in the US? What do we know about the gang?
The gang is known as Tren de Aragua. Tren de Aragua in English means train of Aragua, and it took the name from a union in the countryside in Venezuela that was building a railroad in the country in the past years. And then they started to function within a prison in Venezuela.